Hey guys, so here you have my MacBook Pro and it starts to get some issues. I couldn't boot it up, and right now I'm trying to reformat the whole hard drive and all those things. See if I could get my Mac OS up and running again. Will I be able to? Because actually I have no idea. I have no idea. Because once when I tried this, it stopped to do it because it said like the hard drive, I can't do this anymore. Right now it seems like it's doing some better progress. First time when I tried to reinstall it, of course I will lose all my stuff that I have right now, but I didn't have that much important on my drive. The first time I tried to reinstall it, it did take like, was it like 15 minutes or something, and you know, and then when this install blah blah, when it started to restart, this one went from 22 minutes to like, I don't know, maybe 19 or something, and then you were just like BAM! I can't do this anymore. And then I tried it again, I tried to reinstall it, and that time it did seem like it did take like 30 minutes, and right now it's doing better progress than the last time. So that's pretty awkward, even though I have an Apple Care. You know, if something would fuck up really bad, I have that Apple Care, that Apple Boy, they're gonna help me. Even though it sucks that I have to have these issues with a very expensive Mac. That sucks. Oh, the white balance is kind of nice here. It's extremely good actually. That's nice. That's very nice. Will it finish? Will we succeed? Will we succeed? We just have to wait and wait and wait and see. Okay. So this video is really getting big. Extremely big. Like in size. Now it did end. Okay, so 10 minutes still. Why? That's the longest time. That's a longest time, homie. Come on, man. Just finished today already. Is it doing any progress over here? Like, I don't know. Like, come on, boy. I want my MacBook Pro to work. I want my MacBook. Oh, there we go. Install failed. I'm on a MacBook Pro and I can't install my own Mac OS 10. That sucks. That sucks. That's weird. Shouldn't be like this. So I suppose I have to find someone that could help me, because this sucks, bro. Because I can't use my device. I can't install Mac OS 10 on my MacBook Pro. Yeah, that's weird. And I also have that high-end MacBook Pro from last year, so that's fun. That's fun. That's fun. That's very, very, very fun. Oh, probably not. But I have to try to fix this shit. So yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video, hopefully. And hopefully it's on my MacBook Pro. I don't know. Bye bye.